Hello all, welcome to Codenan Destination. It's a day 53 here. So hope everyone fine and looking toward the fest. So we are in the very important topic that is called direction. Direction is always demanded topic. The people they know the questions how to solve this one, but the way of different kind of the questions they will ask you in terms of the directions. If you want to look it out, guys, we can able to derive into the two categories probably. One is that angle based question. They will give you the thing, the data. In the data, they will give you the direction in terms of the thing, and they will ask you with respect to the which angle. Next one, okay, so that is length based. Okay, find the length. Length means distance. How many distance is there? So in terms of the meter, sometimes the distance might be given in the kilometer, feet, meter, but most probably, guys, 90% is belongs to meter only. But if they want to confuse you, they might give you in the different dimension. But you are ready to approach the any way of the content they have given in this one. Got it, guys? Okay, super. So going to the questions here, there is direction we can able to derive by angle based and the length based we can able to call here in the place. Angle based means the thing like they will give you the sum of directions. You need to find out the angle. Before that, so what is the direction? Direction means it is like a scenario of the passage. They will given by some set of instructions. If you follow the instructions correctly, you can able to reach the correct answer. Correct answer means correct distance. Okay, so that particular thing you can able to reach if you follow the instruction very correctly on the question paper. You got it, guys? It's a very easy one, but people will take some amount of time rather than the time which is decided for you. So what is the ideal time for solve this question? Just 20 seconds. 20 seconds is the very ideal time to solve this particular question, guys. Okay, but the level of questions, it will be change it up. So then level of time is also keep on changing. But we having the ideal questions. So the ideal questions will take only 20 to 30 seconds probably to solve this one. If you are very familiar with this one, you can able to solve even for 15 seconds. It is possible. Okay, so before that, any kind of the direction question, guys, you need to do the first thing. You need to make the pole diagram. Okay, that is a direction pole diagram. So first, for me, this is the east, and for me, this is the west. Okay, and so for me, this is the south, and for me, this is the north. Okay, so then, so the joint connecting between south and east, I can able to call it as south east. Okay, and the joint between connecting between the north and west, I can able to call it as northwest. The joint between connecting that south and west, I can able to call it as southwest. So joint between I can able to connect it that is I can able to call it as north east. Okay, so like what I can able to derive here in this place. You got it, guys? So this is the one of the very important factor you must have to go it on, because if they want to ask you in terms of the angle, they will definitely ask you from this one. Okay, so make sure you making the diagram for each question, because you might be definitely confused if you are keeping in your mind with respect to making the pole diagram, not refusing to that. So it will definitely not going to reach you the great answer here. So the answer they have derived, everything are confusing. Okay, so don't take it as granted this topic. This topic, if you give that little bit importance, you will definitely get a good score in this particular place. Got it, guys? Okay. So going for the question number one, the person go from A to B. Okay. So the person is go from A to B. So A to B. So A, we don't know where it is A, but I'm drawing here A to B. Okay, which is 2 kilometers away. Then they are saying that it is a 2 kilometers away. And 10 turn right. Turn right means this side. Okay. So turn right like the way he was going and walk for 3 kilometer. Okay. So he was going for 3 kilometer until he reached the C. So this is a point C. Again, he was turning right. So he was making the right here. Okay. And he walked for 8 kilometer to reach D. Okay. 8 kilometer. So balance the value. You see this one in between them, they having the gap of 2, but here having 8. Then the difference is going to be that what 6. Okay. So kilometer to reach D. He again turned right. So walks 3 kilometers. So again, he was making the 3 kilometer here. okay, and reach the point E. Okay, so you have reached the point E here. Okay, so again turn right, okay, and walk for 4 kilometer. Okay, so they are saying that 4 kilometer to finally arrive at F. Okay, so how far is from F, A from F? So A is here and F is here. What is the complete distance? Because you see this one, the complete distance of this one, we can able to say that 8 kilometer. But already we know that here we having 2 and here we having 4. So then remaining is what? That is obviously the answer is what? That is 2 kilometer is the possible answer. 4 plus 2 plus 2. We can call it as 8. So that answer for this question we can able to say it as that is only 2 kilometer. Okay. So, sir, here we don't have any kind of the direction. Like only right to left is there. Where is north to south and east to west? Where is there is no data we have inserted here. Why so? So this kind of the question, guys, it is very simple. That think that they will never give you any direction like I mean the pole direction like east, west, north, south. You don't want to worry about it. You can able to start in any point. But if they're giving the data with respect to the pole direction, you must have to start from the think of with respect to the direction, because if you start it randomly it will not give you the answer. But here in this one we have starting the randomly, because it doesn't mean that you have to start from the same way of the portion and same have to do this. Nothing is needed. So you need to start from the same portion, and that will lead you to the correct answer here. Okay, so going to the question next. So it is little bit very complex. If someone is want to ask you from the difficult question, most difficult question from the direction, they will try this. So if you are patient to solve this one, you will definitely get the answer. Because so here patience is a very lot of importance here in this one. So they are giving like a pattern, like a direction questions. They are saying the percentage means percentage. Percentage means it's a north of Q. So P is north of Q. Okay, and this ash means so that is P is south of Q, and so at rate of means P is east of Q, and so dollar means we can able to call it as that is so P is west of Q. Let me draw them figure first the pole direction. Okay, so this is called east, this is called west, sorry, this is called west, and this is called south, and this is called north. Okay, so like this I can able to derive in this place. Okay, so star means they are giving it as that is P is a midpoint of vertical straight line and QR. So euro dollar means we can able to call it as a midpoint of horizontal line in the thing. Okay, now you see this one, they have given some data. If the bus honks once, it means the bus turned left. Honks twice means it's turned right. Okay, like what they have given in this one. So J is 20 meter at the rate of Q. B, like what they have mentioned. What is the mean of at the rate of mean J is 20 meter east. Okay, then I'm writing here. So J is 20 meter east. So J is 20 meter east. Okay, follow the diagram. G is 20 meter east with respect to the B. Okay, I'm done. Next one, C is 33 meter as J. Okay, we having the J, right? So C is 33 meter as J. So as means what? C is south. C is south. C is south. That is 50 meter. That is to the J. J. Okay. Then C will become like this 33 meter. Okay, 33 meter. That C is. C is 33 meter south. Okay, to the J. And C is 15 meter dollar D. What is meaning of dollar? Dollar means west. C is in the west. Okay. So C is 15 meter west. Then with respect to the D. So if I want to draw this, I have to draw from here because it's a little bit complex to mention that one. So C and 33 meter. So that is C, and so 20 meter. Okay, that is called B, and the C is again 15 meter. They are mentioned this one 15 meter. Okay, 15. That's a D. C is 15 meter west to the D, and the D is the middle point of E and F. So it is given the star. So star means it need to come as vertical line, vertical straight line. Okay, so D is something the middle point of something. Then so E is 30 meter to the F. Okay, so either E will come here. Okay, guys. So that is so D is either it is use this one. D is coming in the so midpoint of vertical straight line. That's what the thing they mentioned in this one. So if I making like this, okay, if I making like this, so the D is coming like that. So whether you want to check the C is 15 meter, so dollar of D. Okay, so D is 15 meter south. South means it will come this side, guys. Okay, so C is 15 meters south. Okay, then we made a mistake. Okay, that is so J will come like this. Okay, J will come like this, 33. And then, so J and C and D will come this side. Okay, so C will come this side. This is called 15 meter. They are mentioned here, this one. And this is called 20. This is called B and X. That is, so whether, and they are giving that the D star EF. Okay, so either E will come this side or F will come this side. I'm right, I don't know. So that is, that they are saying that E is 30 meter, 30 meter percentage of F. What is the percentage? E is 30 meter north. E is 30 meter north means you can able to consider like that. Okay, E is 30 meter north. Okay, E is 30 meter north means, but this direction is called west. Okay, so E is 30 meter north. So if you take it as one, that so the particular thing will not reach up the reach up in the correct place. That this value will not be able to consider here. Okay, then we have to draw this one in the very familiar in this one, because so this small mistakes will take you to the cancellation of the all the questions. Okay, so that we have to avoid this, and you have to do it in the correct way. Okay, so we'll do it now. So that is so first of all we start from the beginning. That is J is 20 meter at the rate of B. Okay, J is 20 meter beginning of the B, and next, okay, so J is 20 meter, that is east to the B. Okay, and then C is 33 meter as J. C is 33 meter at as J. As means that is south. C is in the south. South means this direction. Okay, so 33 meter C. Okay, and then C is 15 meter. So the think of what that is that is dollar. Okay, that's what the thing they have mentioned in this one. So C is 33 meter dollar D. Okay, C is 33 meter dollar D. So that is, so C is comes in the, so the think of what that is south direction. C is in the 15 meter south direction. Then so D will be where it is. So D will be where it is. We are already, C is in the direction of south only, because this direction is called south. Okay, so when you see this one, that is very clearly indicating here, that is as means what? As means south. So dollar means it's different. So dollar means you need to check it up. Dollar means west. Okay, so C is 15 meter west. West means this direction. Okay, so this means the west direction. Okay, then D will come this side. Okay, like the way it will come. Okay, so D is 15 meter thing, and then D is star of E and F. So E and F they have mentioned in this one. So percentage means what? It's a north. So E is here. Okay, if you say it up 30 meter, so the percentage of F. Okay, so whether E will come here or here. Okay, because you need to start from here only, because that is a logic here in the place. So then E will come here in the place, because if you make like this, then is the possible thing it will come here. Okay, so this direction is called 15, guys. So we are drawing the diagram, but most probably we can't able to use the scale and making the line, but keep it in your mind in the scale, because you need to know, because we are making the equal diagram. So that shouldn't be happen. So the final diagram writing here, because you see this is a lot of work, but we have to do it. Okay, so 33 meter size you need to make it up. Okay, 33, this is called 20. Okay, and this is J, and this is B, this is C, then 15 will come up to this one. Okay, 15 mean I'll come up to this one. So D is a star of EF. Okay, so then E will come here. So either E will come here or E will come here. So E is 30 meter north and F. So then E will come this side. So E is 30 meter. So then it will come like this. Okay, 30 meter. 30 meter means it will come like that. Okay, so 30 meter. So totally 13 meter, guys. So this is 15 and this is 15. Okay, so this particular portion is called F. This particular portion is called D, and this particular portion is called E. Like what we can able to take it up this one. So F is 40 meter at the rate of G. So F is, you see this one, guys, F is 40 meter at the rate of G they have given. What is mean of at the rate of? At the rate means it is the east. So east means this direction. So F is 40 meter at the rate of G. So then you see this one, guys, it will go for here. Okay, so G will come here in the place. This is called 40 meter. Okay, and height is 24 meter at the rate percentage of G. So percentage means what, guys? We can able to call it as north. Okay, so height is 40 meter north. You see this one, this is called 30. So we can able to go for the 40 here. Okay, so 40, if you take it up, sorry, it's a 24 meter. So 24 meter. So then it will come up to this one. Okay, because this is a total 30, na? 30 means it will come like this. Okay, so I can able to call here as height. Okay, so height will come here, and then so K is 10 meter at the rate of height. Okay, K is 10 meter at the rate of h. So K is where is a K here? that we can able to take it up here in this one from the h. So 10 meter at the rate of h. So k is towards the east. So then so it will go directionally up to this. Okay, so in this particular portion, because the total distance is called 40 here. So if you take it up, this value is called k. Okay, and then x is 18 meter at the rate of b. So we having any b here? Yes, sir. We having the 18 meter b. That percentage of percentage means what? It is a north. So north means this direction. Okay, so this direction. So x is 40 meter north. Okay, x is having like this. Okay, so this is how the figure it will come. Okay, so this is the final figure. You see this one, guys? It will take more than 5 minutes to solve this particular diagram. But if you're making a practice and not making error, you can able to solve it less than 3 minutes, because it will take time. I promise you, this is take them this kind of the question, because you need to interpret the value. If they have given the direct value there, you can able to shoot out the answer directly. But here they didn't give any direct value. You need to change it. You need to decode the value they have given in this one, and then you have to write the answer here. Okay, so going to this one question, guys, let me write it out the diagram first, because so the diagram which we made here in this one, it is very important, so that you can also be so very directive in this figure in this one, guys. So let me draw the diagram first, and then you can manage with the questions, and let me see how we can able to get the answer from this one. Okay, so this is a question, that is a bus takes the passenger from E. Before that, let me draw the diagram. So J 20 meter. Okay, J to B, that's called 20 meter. Okay, and this to this, it is called 33 meter. So C. Okay, and then so this is called D. So D is coming up to this one, the half of the point. Okay, so half of the point, that is called D, that is called 15 meter. And here there is F is coming here, there is F is coming in this one, that is called F, and E is coming here. So that the total distance is called 30. So this is 15 and this is 15. Okay, you need to take it up like this. And F is 40 meter to the G. So then you can able to take like this, that is called 40 meter. You see this one, it is starting from that, so 15. Okay, starting from the 15, and it is going for the 40 meter to the G. Okay, that's what the thing can mention here. And next, so G to H, you see this one, it having that 24 meter. 24 meter means it will come like this. That is 24 meter. And this is called H. So H to K. So H to K, what is the thing they have mentioned? That is a 10 meter. You see this one, 10 meter only, right? So yeah. So again, yeah, it's a 10 meter. Okay. So that is this particular portion, we can able to call it as a 10 meter here. Like what we can able to take it up this one. Okay. So once you consider this one, okay, so once you consider this one, you can able to see this one, guys. So now follow the question. The bus take the passenger from E. Where is the E? Okay, so it takes the passenger from E. So it drives the 31 meter north. North means what? So this is called east. This is called west, and this is called north, and this is called south. Okay, so this is called north, and this is called south. Okay, it's like the way we can able to take it up. This is correct direction, because if you're making the wrong point, it's wrong. Okay, so now E take the passenger from 31 meter north. 31 meter means it will go beyond that. So because you see this one, the total distance is called 30. Okay, so then it will go up to this one. Okay, so 31, it will come here, the 31, because already here it is what? So 33 is here, right? So that is 31. Okay, so 15 plus 15, 30. 30 kilometer it is crossed, but here 1 kilometer. Okay, 31 kilometer north it travel. Okay, so once it is get travel this particular portion, guys, you need to think about one thing, that is 31 kilometer north we have crossed. But according to this section, among the 33 guys, you see this one, 15 is gone. Okay, 15 is gone, and plus 1, that is 16. Okay, 16 kilometer is removed here in this one. Okay, and drive 35 meter. So 35 meter. Okay, you see this one, guys. So this is 1 kilometer means, and it honks once. Honks once means what? Honks once means it's turned left. Okay, so then it will travel the 35 meter. Okay, 35 meter, but it will come up to this one, because you see this one, guys, it is a total height is called 40 meter. So then it will turn this place. Okay, if you turn this place, it is asking that, so what is the x distance? Okay, x distance is what? So you see this one, guys, up to this particular portion, it drives the honks one and drives the, so 40 kilometer. It will be here. Okay, it will be here. Okay, it will be here in the portion. That is 35 kilometer, 35 meter, we can able to take it up. So if you want to, in order to reach the x, it should need to drive at how many distance? So that is the thing you just want to take it up. So here in the question, guys, you see this one, this particular direction. Okay, so you see this This is called B, and this is called X. In between them, we can able to call it as the 18 meter. Okay, then it is exactly in between the distance of what? So it will reach here in the place. Okay, it will reach here in the place that the thing we can able to say this one. So, but the point they have mentioned here, that is called X. In which way it can able to manage this one? Okay, so you see this one, guys. This particular direction, it is comes in the middle of the portion, that is called 15. It will take it between the gap. If you take it up, this is in the place. Okay, so we in order to reach the X, how many distance we need to take it up? So you can able to take the Pythagoras theorem. If you're taking the Pythagoras theorem, you will definitely get the answer called option A. That's the only possible answer we can able to make it up, guys. Okay, so Pythagoras theorem is very easy. That is hypotenuse, so it's equal to the sum of square of other two sides. That's what the Pythagoras theorem, it will be mentioned it up. Okay, so going to the next one, this question is deals with the direction with respect to the point of northwest, something like that. Okay, so man walks 20-meter north. Okay, so first of all, I'll make it up. So what east, west, and this is called so south, south, and north. Okay, so the man walks 40-meter north. Okay, it's going north. Okay, and then he turned his left. Left means that side or this side? Okay, this side. Okay, so he turns left and he walked again 40-meter. Okay, and again he turned left. Okay, turn left means that side. Okay, so we can able to consider like that, because you have to very familiar it up. Okay, and he walked for 15-meter. We can able to say this one, and he finally turned right, and he walked 20-meter. Okay, so he walks 20-meter. So what is the distance from? He is from starting point in which direction? So starting point means, so this is the starting point, right? So just write it up. So that is 40. So 40, 50. Okay. So you see this one, guys? This is called the distance of this one. Okay, what is the distance? We can able to check here in the place. Okay, so in between the distance is called 15. Okay, so in between the distance is called 40. Okay, so that we can able to say that. So it is in the portion like this. So here it is the final direction he was. So 20-meter he was done, right? So he was in the see this one here. So we having the 15-meter distance, and here is 45-meter distance, 40-meter distance. He have to reach 40-meter in terms of the which direction? That is in terms of, you see this one, this direction is called what? That is what? South east, we can able to say this one. That is southeast is the only possible answer we can able to say this one, because we need this direction if you want to move from this way. So that is obviously we'll go for the option C, that is called southeast. So in terms of the answer here, that is the only possible answer we can able to make it up. Okay, so we'll try for this question. So aeroplane ABCD started the flight towards the east. Okay, so east, west, so south, north. Okay, so ABCD stood, every flight is started towards the east. Okay, ABCD. So ABCD flighted towards the east after flying 125 kilometer, flying A and D, so turns toward right. Okay, so A is turning right direction, so D is also turning the right direction. Okay, so plane B and C is turning the left direction. Okay, so while A and D so also turned again in the left direction, because that side is the left. Okay, so left. Okay, done. And then so in which direction aeroplanes A, B, D, C right now they are flying? Okay, you see this one, it turns right. Okay, so A is turned right, so that we can able to call it as A is in the west east, and so D is also in the east. Okay, and so that that B, it is in the direction of north. Okay, did they give any update about it? So that is, while after flying the 1 kilometer, so I think we have missed one data, so we have to improve it. Okay, so sorry guys. So that ABCD flight. Okay, so after flying 125 kilometer, A and D so turns towards right. Okay, so this is the direction right. Okay, and flew towards left. Okay, so while B and C, it's turned left. Okay, it's turned left after 115 kilometer. So again, they turned in the left. So here also left. While plane A and D also left. Left means this direction. Okay, if I'm making the arrow mark diagram, this is the east, this is the west, this is north, this is south. Okay, so that probably you see this one, this direction is called east. So then A fly east, B will fly in the west. So that is C is also flying in the west. So then D is also flying in the east. So that obviously option B is the very correct answer we can able to mark here in the place. Okay, guys. So these are the very directions questions we having here. Okay, so we need to be practice it up because it is a little bit important here in this one. And going to the next question, a boy starts. So that is the boy start from A, walks 3 kilometer north. Okay, so you can able to mark it up 3 kilometer north. Boy start from A, so that I'm picking it up. So north, south, east, west, you can take it up. 3 kilometer north. 3 kilometer north he was walking. A boy start from A and means you can able to take it up. Anything we don't know, right? So that we don't know in which direction he was started. But he was walk for the 3 kilometer north. Might he? Okay. So this is the 3 kilometer north. So boy and turn east. East means this direction. Okay. And next walks 3 kilometer. Okay, done. And he then turns south. South means this direction. Okay, and he walks 2 kilometer, 2 meter. Okay, 2 kilometer. Okay, and then he turns again east. So again east, he walks 4 kilometers more. So 4 kilometer. Finally, he turned south. South means this direction. That is called 6 kilometer. And he reached the B, after which he stops. Okay, he reached the B. Okay, but the question is here. So they are asking in which direction the boy with respect to this, in which directions the boy with respect to its starting point. You see this one? So this is starting point from this direction to this direction. If you are connecting this one, guys, so what is the thing you will get here? That you will get the answer called southeast. Okay, that it was in the direction like this, right? So that is the southeast, we can able to get it here. Okay, and next one, what is the total distance is covered by the boy? You see this one, we just want to count it here. There is 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 6, 18 kilometer. The boy was crossed here. Okay. And how far is the boy from the starting point? So from the starting point means we need to take it up this particular direction. You see this one, guys? If you see this, we having, so it is in the 3 meter, right? So it is 2 meter. So that is 1 kilometer is extra. And then 5 kilometer is here. Okay, so 5 kilometer better. You can take it up directly with respect to the value here in this one. Okay, so please kindly do the problem here. So if you solve this one, you will get the answer like there is 6.67 is the value you will get it here. I hope you're clear in this one. So, okay, guys, thank you. Thank you for the day. We are done for the topic here because this topic is a little bit complex. Make sure you understand this one and copy down and make use of it. Practice it more because that is the most important thing with respect to the direction. Okay, guys. So we'll see you in the next class. So it's a nice class. We will see you in the next class. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you.
Hey, I'm super excited to inform you that in last 2 months, we've been able to conduct around 50 drives and around 100 plus students have been selected for various MNCs. The packages are ranging from 3.5 to 10 lakhs. Stay tuned for more information by subscribing us on our YouTube channel, by liking our social media platforms like Facebook, Insta and LinkedIn. Thank you.